Let's make Chipotle ranch. All your seasoning, I'll put it on the screen for you to screenshot. Add about a tablespoon of garlic paste, half cup Duke's and half cup sour cream, half cup heavy cream. This is just my regular ranch recipe, the best ranch ever. If you haven't made it, what are you waiting for? About a teaspoon of lemon juice. So I usually get the Chipotle peppers in a can and just grind up like 3 of those, but I found these diced Chipotle chili peppers, so I thought I'd give that a try. How much you add is really up to you. I kind of go by color. I'm just gonna add 2 teaspoons. Okay, if you want a little runnier, add more heavy cream. Okay, I wanna add a little bit more. I'm gonna add 4 teaspoons. Taste test. No, that's good.